Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a unboxing. What is in this box? And you can see from the title, it's not really part of Search of Darkness. I got all three in the collection. But it's part of Creator VC. So enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside and with what. With this. Unwrap it. Alright, so what was in that box from Creator VC? If anybody knows Creator VC, I talked about on my pre-order vids, sometimes when they do cool things. And now it arrived with this item. Holy cow, is that what I think it is, dudes and dudettes? Aliens Expanded Collector's Edition. And of course, it's obviously the documentary about the 1986 hit film Aliens. Nothing special on the back. Just slide these out. I'm gonna have to replace these Blu-ray cases. I really don't like the shapes of those. So yeah, you have these two very expanded editions. Let's start with this one. Actually, let's talk about this one first. This is the documentary version. Aliens Expanded, a new species of documentary. Expanded, huh? Wow. So what you have here is interviews from the people who were involved in the aliens. You got deleted scenes, a discussion of creators of Alien Expanded, 2 subtitles, and 282-minute long documentary. This is disc 1. So you have everybody from Paul Reiser, Sigourney Weaver, Michael Biehn, the great Lance Henriksen, and the great James Cameron is interviewed. So yeah, it took a while for this documentary to get expanded. Huh. I'm really gotta replace this Blu-ray case. It's all region, and here's a booklet with a lot of details about the alien, the movie. Oh, here he is, the great James Cameron. Let's give the shout outs to this dude. And of course, Galen Hurd, ex-wife. You got Jeanette Goldstein, who plays Vasquez, awesome. And also you have Carrie Hinn, who played Newt. Yep, and I know that's a Rolex he wore. Huh. Mark Ralston, who plays Drake, cool dude. Matt Winston, actor, plus effects artist. He is the son of Stan Winston, who has made appearances in other projects, and would later be in. Would play a detective in the opening scene of Halloween H2O. William Hope is in this one. Is in the documentary, and then you have Ella Gillis and V. Castro of course, the Algorithm Effects department that did responsible for the sequels of Aliens and the crossover as well. Who worked with Tom Wardrop Jr. as well. Tom Wardrop Jr., but he's not interviewed in this one. You have the Queen Alien, and this is the weapon, the missile lifter jigger contraption that our heroine Ripley, played by the wonderfully Sigourney Weaver, uses it to battle the Queen Alien, the boss that we get to see in this movie, and only in AVP. And I'm not going to spoil for anyone who hasn't seen the Alien films, so please watch those movies and come back to this video. So yeah, but for those who have, we did see the Queen Alien again in Resurrection, but then gives birth to another one, but gives birth to a different alien, a humanoid, half human, half alien, but gets obliterated, unfortunately. But we do see the final boss in AVP in 2004. Yeah, a lot. So yeah, this is all there is, folks. And it's a reversible. What are the odds? I don't understand what these reversibles. They look the same. Okay. This is the new species documentary. This is the special features. And of course you have extended interviews, 14 hours extended with major participants in the documentary. And here are the interviews. And of course you have the Alien Expanded Theatrical Cut 100-minute version, and then there's the Alien Expanded Mission Debrief, 58 minutes in length, and then you have 5-minute interview. Actually, 827.5 minutes. I don't even know if that's a thing. So yeah, came out this year, by the way, 1 disc. So yeah, this is what you have. This is what you're getting, folks. And let's open it up. And of course, oh, what the heck is this, y'all? Limited edition to 2600. Mine is 2516 out of 2600. So yeah, how crazy is that, folks? Those who ordered it, shouts to you, cats and dogs. If those who haven't, oh well. Better luck next time. You can still order it from their sites. Pause it as I move. Ian Nathan and the great James Cameron. Amazing, folks. Amazing. Amazing sets, amazing documentaries. So yeah, if anybody had seen Aliens either in theaters or saw it on television over the years, this came out in '86. So my father introduced me to this franchise since I was a youngster, and surprise, surprise, I dug it ever since, and still dig it to this day. So yeah. Anybody has seen Aliens, let me know in the comments. And which one of the franchise do you dig? Do you dig the first, second, third, or fourth? Or you also, and plus, do you dig the crossovers of AVP? Let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, folks. Before signing off, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours. TCF to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. If you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content or the year, comments down below. And also, folks, tell me something. Anybody in your family or friends had ever introduced you to the Alien movies? Is anybody here a big fan of James Cameron? Let me know as well. So, y'all, Plus, I mean, the YouTube community, I mean, I'm often posting what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early or the afternoon hours, early morning or afternoon hours, to let you know what time the video is going to be up. And if any pre-order products that are in the description or so or anything, it'll be in the YouTube post as well. So yeah, folks. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. And later.